Hi everyone, hope you are fine. In today's video I will show you how to change the icon of drives. Doing so is very easy, just follow a few easy steps. The first thing you need is to download icons. You can download icons by just going to Google and search this. Here you will find icons of your choice and you can download these icons free with just one click. First of all, go to My Computer, C Drive, and then Windows. Here create a new folder, and give a name to it, Disk Icons. Now copy the icon files from here and paste it in the Disk Icons folder. Now go to Search and type Registry Editor, and select the best match. Here unfold the second one, which is current user. Now click Software. Now here you will find a folder named Application, if not you can create it. Just right-click on Application, New, Key and give a name to it, Explorer.exe. We will create a new folder inside it, and name it, Drives. Now create a folder of the drive name, which you want to change. For example, I will give a name of E drive. Give a name to its default icon. Now double-click on Default. Now go to the folder in Windows which contains that icon. Copy it from here and paste it in Registry Editor. Enter the name of that icon and extension. As you know that its extension is .ico. Now let's go to My Computer to check it. As you can see, that icon of E drive is changed. You can do it with C or any other drive. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this trick. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and for more useful updates, subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to see me cover any other topics on this channel, leave a comment below. See you in next video, bye.